Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music on your laptop using an easy method. First, select a digital audio workstation or DAW that suits your needs. Many free and paid options are available, so research what works best for you. Next, consider adding a MIDI keyboard. It makes playing and recording much more intuitive. Finally, check your laptop specifications to ensure it has enough processing power and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM for a seamless experience. Once your setup is ready, dive into the fundamentals. Begin by understanding basic music theory, such as scales, chords, and rhythm. There are countless free and paid online resources, including video tutorials and interactive courses, that can guide you. Consistency is key, so try to dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practice. This regular engagement will build your skills much faster than sporadic, long sessions. Now it's time to get creative. Explore the vast array of virtual instruments and effects available in your DAW. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sounds and textures. A great way to learn is by attempting to recreate simple songs you enjoy. This helps you understand song structure and production techniques. Most importantly, start recording your own ideas, whether it's a short melody or a full beat. This hands-on approach is invaluable. To further enhance your journey, connect with other music creators online. Sharing your work and getting feedback can provide fresh perspectives and motivation. Also, investing in a good pair of studio headphones can significantly improve your ability to mix and master your tracks accurately. For those looking to improve their financial literacy alongside their creative pursuits, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Keep exploring and enjoy the process of making music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.